Now this is where things get interesting.
Sorry about your door, fellas. I just moved next door. The name's Mabel. But by any chance, could any of you light my cigarette? Thank you.
Be careful, it's quite a storm out there.
Fellas! Hey, fellas!
It's open!
Hey, fellas. I forgot it's raining cats and dogs out there. My cigarette went out. One of you light my cigarette again? Thank you.
Remember, it's raining a fair bit out there.
I have to tell me twice.
But we did need to tell it twice.
Hey, fellas. So, my mom and my aunt and my cousin and my dog and everybody wants a cigarette.
Scram, lady!
No need to be so rough. Hot shot.
The fuck color is that?